So I think this is the largest Starbucks in Bangkok. It is absolutely gorgeous how they set this place up. It's outside, inside, long sofas, co-working space I think here. Greatly, nicely decorated. And it goes on and on. And we'll just walk around. So it's always packed every time I've been here. It is always packed. There's another room here. And even here you can go in the back, sit and very highly air conditioned, so you're going to want to bring a blanket if you are adverse to AC like I am. And there's the whole big park hunter. Always a lineup. And there's this other barista counter, which I think they serve. They serve like cold brews here. Yeah, the largest, I think, Starbucks in Bangkok. It's full of people. I love it.